Most conversations I have with folks about estate planning starts out with two goals: avoid taxes and treat everyone equally. Now, as important as these two goals might seem in the beginning, I've got to admit that they don't exactly stir my soul. I mean, what do you want your grandchildren to remember you for? Well, Grandpa sure did avoid some taxes, and when he died, he could divide by 4, too. I once worked with a family of a wealthy couple who had several children and grandchildren and even great-grandchildren. The family was stuck on issues of equality and fairness, both of which are very difficult goals to achieve in estate planning, primarily because everyone has a different idea of what fair and equal actually mean. We finally made some progress when I asked them to back up and talk about what they really wanted for their family. Once they thought they were off the topic of estate planning, family members opened up and talked about unity and love and memories and togetherness. Everyone warms up to values like that. Over the years, a lot of family memories were made at the couple's lake camp, where they skied and cooked out in the summer and duck hunted in the fall and wintertime. Uncomfortable conversations had already arisen about who was going to get the land on the lake where all the fun was had. Rather than a plan that would cause division, this family chose a plan that would foster unity. A family-owned, limited liability company, that's just a way that you can own property, would own the waterfront land and other assets better left undivided. That called for a system of family governance that would force the family members to work together to reach decisions concerning land use and distribution of any profits from any farmland that they also owned. Another family created a charitable family foundation that took family money and distributed it to causes deemed worthy by the family. Again, a system of family governance was instituted to oversee the foundation, thereby encouraging future family members to work together. Now, you need to always consult appropriate tax, legal, and financial counsel when considering any business form like an LLC or a charitable form like a foundation or any other such entity. Control from the grave is nearly impossible to achieve and rarely appreciated by the survivors, but influence and a legacy of family values is not only possible with careful and creative planning, but it may be the most long-lasting gift you could ever leave behind. Offering you wisdom on wealth, I'm Byron Moore.